Imagine a small drone flying quietly in the sky. No pilot, no human controlling it. It travels hundreds of kilometers, finds its target, and suddenly crashes into it. This is why it's not just a regular drone. It's called a kamikaze drone. One of the most famous drones of this type is the Shahed-136. What is Shahed-136? Shahed-136 is a special type of drone called a loitering munition. This means it's not just for watching or spying, it's made to attack. It flies near the target and crashes into it, causing an explosion. This is why people call it a kamikaze drone. It is made in Iran and has become famous because it's been used in different conflicts. Its simple design and long range make it very effective. Number 1. Design. Shahed-136 looks different from a normal airplane. It has delta-shaped wings, triangle-shaped wings, which make it stable in the air. At the back, it has a propeller that spins using its engine to push it forward. Inside, there is a small petrol engine that gives it power to fly long distances. It also has a GPS and navigation system to follow the correct path. At the front, there is a warhead, an explosive. The drone is about 3.5 meters long, and its wingspan is about 2.5 meters. Number 2. How the engine works. Shahed-136 usually has a small petrol piston engine. This engine spins the propeller at the back, which pushes air backwards. The backward push creates thrust, which moves the drone forward. This is the same principle used in many small airplanes. The engine and propeller together give the drone continuous power to fly steadily. Number 3. How it flies. The drone's wings are designed so that when it moves forward, air flows over and under them. This creates lift, which helps the drone rise into the air. It also has small control fins that help it turn up, down, left, or right. The combination of engine thrust and wing lift keeps the drone stable in the air and on course. Number 4. How navigation works. Shahed-136 uses GPS navigation and an autopilot computer. Before launch, the drone is given the coordinates of its target. After launch, it constantly checks its position using GPS and follows the set path automatically. It doesn't need a human to control it all the time. This allows it to travel long distances and reach the target precisely. Number 5. How it is launched. The drone is usually launched from a rail or launcher on the ground. In the first few seconds, a rocket booster pushes it quickly into the air. Once it reaches enough speed and height, the drone's engine starts working. After that, it can fly on its own, towards the target, using its propeller and wings. Simple summary. Shahed-136 is a small autonomous drone. It has 3 main parts: an engine, GPS autopilot, and a warhead. It flies on its own, reaches its target, and crashes into it, causing an explosion. In simple words, it's a system that can observe and attack automatically, without human help. Its simple design and smart navigation make it one of the most famous kamikaze drones in the world. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech and drone videos. Which part of Shahed-136 surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Share this video with friends who love learning about drones and military technology.